Hello students, in this video we are going to study the chapter 5 of science, that is food safety. Before starting with the chapter, first tell me, from where do our body obtains energy for carrying out different activities or functions? Food. Yes, very good. Our body obtains energy from the food we eat. Can you name me some of the nutrients which are present in our food? Yes, carbohydrates, proteins. Very good. Minerals, vitamins, and fats. Also, waters and fibers are also present in our food. Do you know what's the function of all these nutrients in our body? So let's study it. So first nutrients is water. Water is the main component that our body needs. So what is the function of the water in our body? It dissolves and carries nutrients to the different parts of the body where the nutrients are needed. Water is also helps to remove out the waste from our body, and it also maintains our body temperature. Second nutrients, that is proteins. So what is the importance of proteins in our body? Protein helps in building new tissues. It also helps in producing antibodies, enzymes, hormones, and other compounds in our body. Third, it is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provides us energy. Fats. Fat provides long-term energy. It also provides protection to the very delicate organs of our body. Next, it is the vitamins. Vitamins helps to regulate the function of the other nutrients. Also, it maintains the proper growth and development of our body, and it also helps in manufacturing different hormones. Minerals. Minerals helps in building up bones, teeth, and it also maintains the proper functions of the muscles, and it also regulates the function of the nervous system. So I hope you all understand what is the function of the nutrients in our body. Now we will see some of the food which are rich in different nutrients. So here first, cucumber, lettuce, tomatoes, broccoli, watermelon, strawberries, pineapple, oranges, and raspberry. All these food are rich in water. Water-rich food. Second, that is all these different foods are rich in different vitamins. Third, that is chia seeds are rich in calcium. Black beans are rich in magnesium. Beans and lentils are rich in iron. Avocado is rich in potassium. Chickpea is rich in zinc. Seaweed are rich in iodine. Now food items which are rich in fats like oil, butter, cheese, nuts. Food items which is rich in carbohydrates, that is rice, bread, chapatis, potatoes, bananas. And protein rich foods are meat, broccoli, oats, egg, paneer. What will happen if all this food gets spoiled? Can you imagine? So all this we will see in our next topic, that is food spoilage. First of all, tell me, can we eat spoiled food? No. Why we can't eat spoiled food? Yes, because it gives very bad smell. You may observe in this picture also. Tell me other changes that you may observe when you see any type of spoiled food. Yes, color also changes. You may see here that banana's color has become black. Your apple color also has been changed. Tell me some of the other changes you may observe. Yes, taste also changes. Okay, whenever the food gets spoiled, its taste is also start changing. Any other changes you may observe? Yes, when we touch that spoiled food, we just feel like a sticky. Okay, yes. So all these are the signs from which we can identify that the food gets spoiled. Okay, so what is actually a food spoilage? The physical as well as the chemical properties of the food changes and the food become unfit for consumption. We cannot eat spoiled food. So I hope you understood what is a food spoilage. Now, factors affecting food spoilage. So first factor, that is a food production. Food are spoiled on a very large scale at the food production places because there is a improper storage facilities, as you see in image also, where most of the vegetables are wasted due to the improper storage facilities. Second, that is a transportation. Most of the time transportation are delayed or there is a improper facilities of transportation, so the perishable items like milk, fishes, some fruits also which are perishable get spoiled due to the delayed transportation or improper transportation services. Third, that is a improper storage. So there is a no storage facilities available for storing food. So at that time also food gets spoiled easily. Also during a food preparation, when the food get overcooked, so nutrients level in that food get depleted or get very low. So such type of reasons are responsible for the food spoilage. So I hope you understand what are the factors affecting the food spoilage. Our favorites. I think all these are favorites of each one of us. But while eating the junk foods, have you ever thought of how they are made, served in a hygienic condition or not? Or from where the water is used for preparing all these junk foods? So while eating junk food, we must first set control on our cravings and we must only consume in limit. We must also take care that all these food items must be prepared in well hygienic conditions. Otherwise, it will cause a very serious health problems like obesity, cardiovascular disease and cancer. So we must always take a proper food or proper diet for our body. Other reasons for food spoilage are microbes. So growth of microbes like fungi and bacteria on the food also cause food spoilage. Foods are also spoiled by some of the insects around. Food wastage. Can anyone tell me when do we mostly waste our food? Yes, during dinner or lunch. So tell me, it is a good habit or it is a bad habit of wasting our food? Yes, exactly, it is a very bad habit. So give me answer why we should not waste our food. Tell me. Yes, because there are many people who have nothing to eat. So in our country India also, there is an enormous progress in agriculture due to the development of science and technology. But still many people are there who don't even have one time meal in a day. So to overcome all this food scarcity problem, it is our duty to prevent the wastage of food. There are two types of food wastage. First, that is quantitative food wastage. Quantitative food waste occur due to the following reasons. Following wrong agricultural practices such as sowing of seeds with hands, inadequate thrashing, improper storage of food grains, and improper distribution. Other reasons are also responsible, like serving too much of food to the guest in banquets, in parties, in traditional feast, or in wedding. Second types, that is qualitative food wastage. In qualitative food wastage, the nutrients level in the food get reduced or get depleted. Qualitative wastage of food occurs due to the following reasons. So, following wrong methods of protecting foods such as excessive use of food preservatives. Preservatives may be chemical compound also. Overcooking of food. Third, washing vegetables after cutting. Fourth, mishandling of fruits like grapes, mangoes. Also, delay in the transportation of food from producer to consumers. So, all these reasons are responsible for the qualitative food wastage. These are some of the small steps which we can do on personal level to prevent food spoilage or food wastage. Serve yourself only as much as you can eat. Avoid overcooking of food. Avoid throwing away leftover food and reuse it in a proper way. Buy only as much as grain, fruits, vegetable, milk as you need. Store grains and other perishable foodstuffs like vegetable, fruits, milk using proper storage method. You may keep them in refrigerator. Always check the expiry date on packed, canned, bottled food and use within that time limit. Eat all the food that you have served yourself. I hope now you are cleared with food spoilage, food wastage, and some of the steps which we can do to prevent food wastage and food spoilage. Thank you.